main board, which like all the other console boards I usually sell as peripherals. So we got obviously gold in the IC chips. You can't really see it here, but maybe at an angle you can kind of see there's gold in here. It's not super easy, but there's definitely gold in there. Obviously there's gold in the video connector, gold in these guys here. And let's see, let's open this up, the other side, which should have the CPU, GPU stuff. There you go. Dusty. So got more chips to look at. Definitely gold in here. Some monolithic capacitors. I don't see any tantalum capacitors, but there might be some. And let's take off this pad over here. So right here we have the graphic card and obviously the CPU, and these should also have gold in them. What I do with these sometimes is I remove them and I put them in the IC chip pile, or even the processor pile. I know at one point the guys at Board Sort took these out from my IC pile and put them as CPUs. So I guess depending on who you talk to over there, these could be put in the CPU pile or IC chip pile. So by removing them, you don't lose too much value on the board weight-wise, and you'll get what is it, about $3 per pound on these. So it's not bad to remove them if you have the time. I stopped doing it because I don't have the time. So there you go. So we also have some aluminum heat sinks over here. Not sure how easy they are to remove. There you go. Flathead screwdriver, you can get that stuff out. Hey guys, welcome back. So like I said, I tested the board. So the main board works. The power supply was dead. So scrap wise, let's see how much this main board would be worth. So it's about a little more than 7 ounces. And on Board Sort, our peripheral boards are going for $1.50. So we're talking about this board, if it was dead, whatever, really not worth fixing, because if you don't know how to repair these things, a technician would probably charge you $50 to fix it. So you can probably buy a new replacement PS3 for that price. So we have about 68 cents scrap value, but since it's working, I would sell it for about 20 on eBay, free shipping, which would give me anywhere between 10 and 15 bucks, depending on what state it's going to. At almost 4 ounces, and I usually get 50 to 60 cents. We'll go with 50 cents. Be a little conservative. So about 12 cents for these. And what's left is the scrap metal, or steel I should